Okay, I just got my receiver from Best Buy. It's a CDE 122 Alpine head unit. It doesn't have Bluetooth or any of that stuff, and I'm really not caring about that. But this is going to be an unboxing just to see what's all inside. We got stereo harness for the DIN. Manuals and stuff, and the actual head unit. Wrapped up in there. Oh, I guess the carrying case. And there we go. CDE 122. So I guess it has a removable faceplate. It does have a auxiliary port and a USB hookup port. And there's the back. So antenna adapter. Your for subwoofer connection, and then the audio connection with the fuse. It's a pretty nice deck. I got it for a little over $37, and the only reason why, I guess, because they're discontinuing this model. So I think retail from Best Buy was $160. So it was half off. It was down to $80, and then I had a $50 gift card that I've been holding on to for a while. So applied that, got it for $37 shipped at the store, and this is going to be going into a 98 Mustang, and I'll throw a video up there later.